is the first Prime Minister. He was a very good guy, very honest, sincere Somali. He's a good guy. The only thing is that the issue of experience was not there. And for us, we know that we have 4 years only. We don't have enough time, so we need to do a lot of things and move very fast. So that was the main reason that we were unable to combat with the Prime Minister. Things to happen in the ground as fast as we want, as I want, particularly as an elected president. So that was where our differences come from. But other than that, his personality, his Somaliness, is a very good guy. The second Prime Minister, unfortunately, he was maybe having some sort of capacity, but I will say maybe he will say maybe the same, but I will say he was so power-oriented, he was not respecting this division of power that Somalia has. You know, one has to respect it's not I like or I dislike. It's there and it's by law. So if you do not respect the law of the land, it doesn't help. So my second Prime Minister, I was unable to convince him to respect the law of the land and the division of the power, the parliament, the cabinet, the presidency. There's bits and bits. So that's where the conflict started, and then at the end he went off. Then the third Prime Minister came. Of course, we ourselves, I myself, my ambition was coming down because of the reality on the ground, convincing. The third Prime Minister is someone who was morally acceptable. I will not say there is no one perfect, including myself. But we somehow agreed to work together, consensually, and we understand each other. And that was the best thing that we do. Again, it was consensus-based, dialogue-based, not more of struggling with the Prime Minister's power, my power. One of the difficulties Somalia has is these three powers that are allocated to different institutions. It is something that exists in the world. But the world is mature enough in a way that they can bring together those pieces and move together in one direction. The problem in Somalia is that, number one, we cannot bring them together and move it in one direction. If we bring together, we want to move different direction. So it doesn't work for us. So in the last 2 years of my tenure, we at least agreed to bring together and move in one direction. Maybe we forgot those directions that we differ, but those directions that we were common, which mainly was politics and security, we move it together, and that was the main reason that this thing has happened. The issue now is